Hi. Sun protection is not seasonal as we believe that it's only used in the summer. It is all year round. We've got to protect our skin from the sun because about 80% of skin aging actually and other skin problems is due to the sun because it has UVA and UVB rays which cause all these problems from darkening of the skin to breaking down of collagen, to rash, to allergies, and to skin aging and spots, darkening of the spots. So every skin problem, in fact, that we have, a lot of skin problems that we face, especially in summer, is due to the SPF of the sun. That means the UVA and the UVB rays of the sun. So sun protection is the most important. Now, what is a sun protection factor? Now what is SPF, I should say? SPF is sun protection factor, and it protects your skin from UVB and UVA rays, which is, like I said before, responsible for all the problems that you have on your skin. And we naturally have a protection factor, especially in India, of 8. SPF 8. So that is why we can get away with going in the sun in a normal kind, like when just say in winters and other things where we don't have to use a sunscreen. But I always say using a sunscreen is a must. So now how do you calculate how long to use it, when to change, what to do? And now just say you use a sunscreen of 30 SPF for 5 minutes and it burns after 5 minutes. Your skin burns. That means you multiply the 5 into 30 and you get this of 150 minutes. So 150 minutes means 2.5 hours. So every 2.5 hours that sun protection factor has gone and you will have to use a sunscreen. And also these sunscreens and the SPF factors come in different, starting from 15 going right up to blocking your skin completely from the sun. The SPF normally will be from 15, then you go to 20, then we will have 30, 30 and 30. It will block out the rays from SPF, the UVA and the UVB rays. Now the last is a complete block. Now your sunscreens can have chemicals in it, but our sunscreens are completely mineral, which is safe for the skin and can also be used by little children. Now let's talk about our Aroma Magic sunscreens. Firstly, they are all mineral based and natural. So you will find that you will not get an allergy like the normal other sunscreens. So first is Carrot Sunscreen Lotion, which is a 15 SPF. I recommend this for everyone who are going to offices and who are just going out maybe for a little shopping and other things, because they need the protection but they don't need it for such a long time. And also they get from their house to their car to their office, or from their house and walking a little distance and going to the office. Then we come to a aloe vera sunscreen, which is between 20 and 30 actually, because it's a gel version and it really is very good for acne type skin, and it's good for oily skin, and it protects the skin and also sensitive skin. Then we come to our spray. Now the spray is something, when you use your sunscreen, like I said, it lasts for 2.5 hours. But you're out shopping, you're out golfing, you're out with other sports, so and you're out maybe in the hill station camping, you need a protection regularly. So this is something you can use over your makeup, and it is just a spray. So you just take it out and spray it on your skin again and go through. It is a 30 SPF, which is light and it's wonderful to use. Next we come to the Cucumber Sunscreen, which is again a 30 SPF, excellent sunscreen, excellent to protect your skin completely, and works very good for pigmentation, anti-aging. Then we come to the sunblock cream again, which is 30++, that means it's over. It blocks out the sun completely. It blocks out the UVA and the UVB rays, and it definitely gives you a wonderful this. You can use it swimming, you can use it playing games, you can use it for anything, but you will have to retouch with the spray if you're out in the sun for a very, very long time, though this blocks out the rays completely. Now, men, youngsters and children, I found don't use so much of sunscreen, and they should use sunscreen because they're out in the sun even more. And of course, since they are all mineral sunscreens and natural sunscreens, you will find it's easy, non-sticky and wonderful to use. And I really recommend that everyone should use a sunscreen because it is very, very important.